Hi and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm going to attempt to build my own mobile app that I can use on iOS or Google. This is pretty awesome because I'm doing this video on purpose to share with you that anybody can do this. And building apps is not something that I was planning on doing, but then thinking of the biggest potential of having an app on your phone. Like, we're always on our phone, we're always downloading apps every day, and why not be able to build your own app for iPhone, for Android, it doesn't matter. And in my case, I'm going to be building an app for my girlfriend's website, her travel niche, thelimitlesstraveling.com. Now, I want to build this app for her because it's going to help her with traffic, it's going to help her be an affiliate marketer. I'm going to create one for my own business. I'm going to create for clients. It's so many things that you can do here by being a software developer, and you don't even need the technical skills. Now I'm going to share with you what AppsKitPro is and why I think this is one of the best solutions in terms of building your own app, driving new traffic, building products, putting them out there. It's really unlimited, the ideas that you can do. You can go out and have clients from Upwork.com or locally get hired by businesses for you to create their apps and pay over $500 to $1,000 to $2,000. Some people even pay $5,000 and everything, okay, in building apps. So this is powerful. So today we will attempt to build a new app from scratch using the AppsKitPro. It promises us it's simple, it's effective, and let's get started. So stick around also to the end because I do have some bonuses to go with this, because I want you to pick this up and I want you to build your own website, and then I want you to build a what do you call it, an app behind it. And the way we're going to do it is through what you're going to be seeing right now. So let's say you took training from me and you learned how to build a website, and you build a website like Limitless Traveling. It's traveling.com. All right, so my girlfriend actually followed my steps in the way I've guided her into creating this website, even though it's more of her creation. I'm not too sure what she followed, but she got it down right. Okay, and this is what I'm teaching as well, and this is what we need to do. Now we want to build an app for this. So I'm going to be getting like the essential things that I want and start building. The only thing that's going to take me a little bit longer than what I've wanted to do is creating the images and posters for the actual app. But let's get started. All right, we're going to get started with the actual thing. So this would be called Limitless Traveling. Okay. Back, and now we have this app that we're going to start creating right now. So I'm going to go to create app. See that? Create app. And this is our app. This is what the preview looks like, and whatever I do here, it's going to change and everything. Now the way this works is that basically I'm going to create an image where you can actually go to Fiverr and get a designer to do it, or do what I'm about to do. And what we're going to do is create an image for the background. We're going to create the logo. It's all the information here that you can create and design your app. So first of all, it gives you all the details that you need in terms of images. So first, I need to create these images, and I'll come back as soon as I've created them. Now, in my case, I'm going to be using Canva to actually build these images. And these images you can find templates. It's going to be easier for you to create something here using Canva, which is also free. Now the only difference is that I need to get the right the right dimensions of the images. So I'm going to go to custom dimensions, and let's go back to AppsKitPro, and I need a 768 by 124. So 768 by 124. create a new design. Okay, so this is going to be one of the designs that I need in terms of the login screen, image, etc. All right. Now, I do have a couple of things that I've taken images from. Let me see how it's going to work in terms of having this. So let me publish this. So let me download. Image not found. Let me go back. I actually made a mistake in the design, so it's 1024, not 124. So I'm going to create. I was wondering why it looked weird. Okay, so right now it's giving me templates for this specific, thing. Like Canva is already giving me stuff, so I'm going to be using something that I can use myself. All right, so of course we're not going to be using her, but we will be using my girlfriend. So this will be limitless traveling with K. All right, this is how I design things right off the bat. So you can see that I'm just taking action, and you know, I've done almost everything with my girlfriend's website. The designs and everything is all mine. So you might not have the skills or something, that's fine. You can always hire somebody to do it easily for you. Okay, now this is another little trick that I like to use. It's this app extension thing called Colorzilla. You can find it as an extension, and you can actually, it's right here, this one right here. So you can choose the right colors from websites that you can be using, getting the codes, and also, it will help you in your design. All right, so let me go back to Canva where I'm designing my thing. So I want to change that color to this. Okay, so I can. Now I'm gonna use an image that my girlfriend is in. So let me go back and get one of those images. This is the image that I want to use. I think I have it already somewhere. So let me go back, scroll down, try and find it. If I created it on this account. Okay, I'm gonna do something like that. Found one of her images. I'm leaving the template as it is. So this is her motto here is inspiration for travel without limits. Inspiration to travel without limits. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Change the font. Okay, that's the one that I wanted. And let me see her. Okay. And again, I think it's this. No. No. Hold on, let me find it. Alright, so this is one of the images that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be downloading this. Okay. Download. Okay, so I created one part of my poster. I don't know how this is going to come out. However, I'm doing something about it. So let me choose it. Okay, that's one. And that's what it's going to be looking like. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, and then we have a home logo. So it's going to be 540 by 135. So I'm going to go back, create, and do the same thing. Again, I'm going to go to custom creations. So this is 540, and we need 135. 135. create new design. Okay, so what I'm going to be using here is actually the logo that I uploaded. That should be something like that. Make it smaller. Okay, and then let me publish. Again, I'm doing this right off the bat without me doing much thought process in creating. Okay, I'm creating something. I wanna put it out there. I wanna share with you how you can do the same thing by following all the information right here. All right. Okay, I believe I've added it. It's updated. All good to go. All right. So now we've got something down. You don't need to have a login if you don't want to. You could collect emails. I mean, it's really, really powerful as it's got an auto mail system as well that creates your welcome emails and everything like that. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Now, let me go back. All right. So the images are there. Good looking. All good. We can fix the colors if we'd like. I think I'll leave it as is. I don't want to play around with it too much. And now here are the actual features that you can actually use. One, definitely I'm going to have a website link inside. Okay. I'm going to have, you can choose anything that you want here. Now you can see profile, products, it doesn't matter. Whatever you're doing online doesn't matter. Even if with coupons, doesn't matter. All right. I can do an image gallery and then add some images if I want. But I think I want to keep it as simple right now. I'm just going to, okay, so design. You can add screens on here. There are already built-in templates that you can be using for example, if you're doing automotive, let's say you chose automotive, it'll do images and everything like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create my own image that's going to be my header image, and on there I'm going to be able to make them clickable. But in order to create this, all right, so I need to go, let's see, let me go to layout 1, or no, yeah, I'll do layout 1. Okay, so right here, I need to create a 780 by 390, but watch what I'm gonna do. So go back. Once again, custom creation. We said we wanted, let me close this. We said we wanted to do 780 by 390. 780 by 390. Actually, this is, okay, no, I don't want to do this. I want to, hold on. All right, so I'm going to go into the app to finish it up. So I'm going to go to login. All right, I'm going to scroll down to, I believe it's settings, and I will go to home screen, and I'm going to add new. Okay, so this is going to be the home screen that I'm going to be using. Now the image that I'm going to be adding is actually 960. You can also do video if you want, but I'm going to be doing the 960 by 3000. Okay, so let's go back into and this is going to be the actual app where I'm going to be creating buttons on there, whatever. All right, so we said, is it, I'm sorry, I keep on forgetting, 960 by 3000. 960 by 3000. Create new design. Now, in this design, it's going to be something like, okay, let me find something. Hmm. Let me find the one that I want. Now I found one that I can play around with, and what I'm gonna do here is basically create her a menu part. So every time somebody will click on one of these images, will take them over to a blog post that she has on the travel blog. This is the strategy that I'm doing for her. And this is something that you can choose to do for whatever it is, and you'll see how we're going to be doing this. So right here we have everything here. So I'm going to use one of the colors that I used before. I believe it was this, and have some congruency with the website and everything. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my girlfriend's website. I'm gonna see what I can use from here, and this was a good image that I can use on top, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna find that image that I created for her. I believe somewhere. Let me come back. Okay, so I just created this, and I'm gonna leave it as is right now because it's gonna take me so long to actually create something like out of my blue. You can skip all that and get somebody to do it for you, or you can play around with Canva and get the one that you want. So I'm just gonna be using this, whatever I created right here, so I can give you an idea of how this is gonna be working. I'm gonna be probably working with my girlfriend to fix it up in the way that she likes, and then you can do the same thing with your clients, if any. So this is going to be the actual home button kind of thing, okay? And that's all you need. I mean, seriously. So I'm going to choose my file. Hold on, let me upload and choose my file. Okay. All right, and let me see, function. I'm going to do multi-function and submit. Okay, so this is going to be my actual home page. It could be better, again, just showing you what can be done. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to assign a button. All right, so you see I just clicked on that, and I'm going to get this like that, and then click on that, and I'll call this about me. All right, website, and then I'm going to take them over to the about her blog, so which is this one right here. Yeah, I can. Okay, so this is Katrina, and we're gonna go back to my AppsKit. Where is it? Here it is, and put the link there and save. Okay, so that's gonna be clickable. Then I'm gonna do a second one for her travel tips, following the same process, and this is how easy you're gonna be getting your app going. I mean, this is gonna be fun for you. I mean, you gotta think outside the box, think bigger. Think what else you can be doing here. You can take them over to image galleries, websites, whatever it is that you're doing, you're going to be able to do. So this is the travel tips. So I'm going to take them over to the travel tips section. Okay, copy, come back. You get the point. Okay, save. Now, let me put this as well. Website, back again to the blog. Okay. Again, boom, boom. And this one right here, I'm gonna take them over to travel resources. I should change it to travel resources. Let me save this. And what I'm gonna do is basically change the image that I had there, but for now I want travel resources. services. Copy, back, boom, boom, save. Okay, once I submit this, okay, these are going to be clickable, etc. And they're going to be actually, you look again, you create your own design. You can do a lot of things on here. You can create membership things. There's so many things that you can be doing through here. All right. Let me go back to my campaign. If I go back to the panel and I go to manage apps, I can go into the app. Okay, sorry, back to panel. Manage apps, create app. Let me get rid of this. All right, and there'll be some more things that I need to add here, which is the splash screen for this. So I'm gonna see if I can use maybe this one right here. I'm not sure if that's gonna be a good enough image. And app icon image, which is this one right here. Okay. Traveling. Okay. I need to add a server key, which is again something that I need to go through and create it. Okay. Once it's done, then they're going to be providing. You're going to be adding it in the Play Store. This is for the Play Store information. But there's I just need to connect everything so I can put it on. But again, I'm not going to put it on yet because I need to just edit it a little bit more and fix it up because I was doing it for this video. Just sharing with you what you can do. You can also add it on App Store. As far as I know, you need to sign up to App Store to be able to upload apps, but it's very doable. Anybody can do it as well. I'm not too sure if they do it for you. I think it could be one of the upsells. Check my review below so you can check. So this is how you'd go about creating an app for your website. Now it's not showing exactly what I'm because I'm not done yet with this. Okay, so but you get the point, I think. All right. If you check out the demo, you see there's more templates. There's more things that you can choose from. Again, I did this off the bat to share with you how easy it is. It's got many features that you can be using this. You can use clients again, whatever. Now look real quick, just in case you're wondering how much does something like this cost. Well, we can easily come here and find the actual cost of what people are asking for. Build an app for iPhone, for example. Okay. I'm in the Upwork right now, and okay, what I want to do is not find, yeah, let me see. This guy 200,000 earned. I want to find jobs. So let's see. Get started. Hold on. Let me just log in. All right. So for example, I'm in the back of Upwork. I'm inside my actual account. Okay. Let me just put that. All right. And it says like here, Android app development for childcare. We're looking for an Android to an app. We need someone to create a balance where we update the parents. Well, you can do all this with this, all right? And it also says include source code this link. And be care. Please share a brief summary, experience, etc. All right. There's one right here. Estimated budget $1,000. Yeah, you can get $1,000 and get this done for them. Okay, anybody can do this. Anybody. So I'm telling you right now, this back end. Okay, no, that's a little bit more advanced. But believe me, this is happening. I mean, you'll be silly if you don't know this is happening. So if you want to take this into a serious thing, then you can become a licensed owner and create apps for clients based on Upwork. Okay, so this is how you can manage a business, build a business from zero without you being, or for your business. Okay, so this is AppsKitPro. It just launched. Okay, and I really highly suggest you go ahead and get this right now. There's tutorials on how you will be building your apps properly. There's a features kit demo, how to create the survey key for adding it to the thing. As you can see, one of the templates right here is an example of what you can be creating and getting ideas from. So if I sit down and design, it's going to get me get me things done. You can actually go to also Fiverr. Okay, you can come to Fiverr and find designers to do posters for you for these. Just give them the dimensions, tell them what you want, and they'll come up with a template. Like, tell them, like, look, copy this, etc. All from Fiverr. Very easy, very affordable, and you can get it out there as well. But also, AppsKitPro does have templates that you can be using, like restaurants, shops, etc., salons, whatever. You can go do local marketing, and you can see what else is involved, like coupons, digital stamp cards, employee schedules, setting up a sign-up screen, gift cards, customer profiles, tags, client modules, setting up the hub, where the hub is basically your dashboard where you can send out messages from there to the users of the apps. It's powerful. I'm telling you. Adding websites, store locators, payment plans. You can do everything from here. I can create an app and create a paying plan for people to hire me as a coach. You can do so many things. It's crazy. Now, for me, the one thing that I would help you with and give you a bonus in all of this is to actually give you my course, my Passion Fuse course, where you're going to be able to build your own product. Okay, and then maybe from building that product, you can actually create an app for it and sell it. I'm gonna give you access to that, as this is training that I will sell. Where inside you have full-on training inside my Passion Fuse, taking you step by step on how to choose your passion, creating your brand, your passion's foundation, your theme, where to sell your passion, all that is my creation on how I've built my business. And you get all these things that you can, the training that you're going to be getting from each module inside. Okay, this is a huge training. Put all my heart in this. This is something that helps people build their own products, just like I've been able to build mine in online. Okay, and by you using the Apps Kit, after you've created all your content, your business, your whatever, you're going to be able to start seeing results and building an empire basically from zero. Like you have everything here to get you started. Okay, this is my Passion Fuse. This is something that I usually give out as a bonus, sometimes depending on what it is and if it's congruent. Now everything is very clear on what I'm giving you here, but I'm going to take it another level because I want to give you more for you to work with. Okay, the more you create cash blogs or cash money websites, then you can actually create apps for them for any niche. So the next best thing that you would get access to is one of my favorite courses that I've ever created, which is totally evergreen. And this is, again, another training from me, giving you all the necessary tools and training to get you started and doing exactly what I've been able to achieve online. This again will help you build your own niche-based website, make money from it from there, and you building an app for it is going to be perfect in whatever you're doing. Again, goes in hand with Passion Fuse, with this Flip-Flop Profits. I'm telling you, one of the best training that I've put out, and it's definitely gonna help you with whatever you're doing. There's a lot of videos in here and a lot of value that I'm giving you in order to build your business. I'm giving you so many tools and choices to make this happen for you. I showed you how you can go out there and build an app yourself. And by giving you these 2 bonuses, it will help you. And I don't want you to pick any other bonuses, as you don't need anything else. Trust me. Just get this, get the AppsKitPro, put it together, make it work, build a website, and then create an app and put it on Google and put it on iOS phones. For crying out loud, we all use apps on a day-to-day basis. Don't miss out on this opportunity to build. And this is the easiest way to become a software developer for an app for Android or for iOS. Okay? No tech necessary. Follow what I just did with Canva and you'll do this, get the same results. All right, so back to AppsKitPro. This is AppsKitPro. All right, and inside AppsKitPro is all the details that you need to create your own app for your website, for your business, for a local store, for your client, and it's all on the back end right here. All right, it's got an auto mail content, auto mail system, collect leads, drive traffic. It's all in here, and plus it's got tutorials to take you step by step to give you a part of what I showed you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you pick up AppsKitPro and you're gonna get access to one of my best programs and training programs that go hand in hand with this, so you can build a sustainable business. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and I'll talk to you inside.